In this and the next videos, I am going to teach you how to say mathematical operations and something you need to know about mathematics in Cantonese. We use English as a learning language in higher level mathematics, so only basic operations are going to be introduced. I will introduce them one by one, then give you some examples and finally show you how to write. Plus sign. We say
加號，加號。
minus sign. We say
減號，減號。
multiplication sign. We say
乘號，乘號。
division sign. We say
除號，除號。
equal sign. We say
等號，等號。
not equal sign. We say
不等號，不等號。
less than. We say
細過，細過。
greater than. We say
大過，大過。
see the examples below.
1加1等於2， 1加1等於2。8減3等於5， 8減3等於5。4乘6等於24， 4乘6等於24。12除6等於2， 12除6等於2。3細過6， 3細過6。7大過4， 7大過4。
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.